S&P 500 ETF. Today we're up over $2. Nasdaq up another $1.33, bounced it off to 21. Diamonds up $2.34. Russell 2000 up $1.77. And transports are also up over $2. Taking a quick look at the futures for S&Ps, we had a pretty significant pullback yesterday, and I was looking at this 3550 area as a possible top, and we did start to pull back. Now, what's going to happen next? We're going to take it one day at a time, as price is currently trading below that 200 moving average on the hourly chart. As that 50 crosses against 200, we can see some more selling, more pullbacks in the overall market. I'm going to zoom out a little bit too and take us back to February when the price level got down below the 200 moving average on the hourly chart, and this thing started to sell off. So I like to always pay attention to these areas and see where the market's at. Now we may have this type of situation where we dip below the 200 moving average on the hourly chart and later was able to recover. But if you're going long in this market, I would just have pilot positions and just go small. Taking a quick look at Lockheed, this one is a re-entry, and I think that we were patient enough. I was thinking about pulling the trigger on this. I did not do it, and now it's giving me a second chance. And this one is definitely, you got to be patient when it crosses against that 34. Then we'll go long. So right now there's nothing to do on this chart. But recognizing that this particular support area is holding for Lockheed. So Reliance Steel should be out of this chart already yesterday. So we hit that 113 extension. And from here we may start to pull back. And we just want to repeat the process all over again and see this could be a possible area where price could pull back to the 104, and we'll see if the pattern repeats itself over and over. Tech bloodbath aside, right, these two giants for the second half of the recovery, veteran analyst says, Apple and Microsoft. America's jobs recovery, US adds 1.4 million jobs in August, but it's still down 11.5 million jobs since COVID. We got Germany put in a small gain today, Euro 50, Japan, and let's take a quick look at oil. So oil is currently still trading below that 200 moving average on the daily chart. We'll take a quick look at gold. Gold also pulled back, kind of still in the sideways pattern. Same thing with silver, kind of going sideways as well. Fear and greed, this is at 58. So we had a lot of greed just a couple days ago. It was at 70 something just yesterday. We're close to 70, and now it's pulled back under 60. Cryptos also pulled back under 400, and this is the number they were talking about. They're expecting a 9.8%, but they got 8.4 instead. Let's take a quick look at some other symbols. Kimberly-Clark, okay. So right here, it's all about patience. We are looking at this chart. It did come into our three-price relationship. Now it's all about if we can get a trigger to go long on the 15-minute time frame. But also recognize that this chart is trading below that 200 on the hourly chart. So if you want to find a chart that is above, for example, this is not a tradable one anymore. Here's the reason why. So I was talking about ABT yesterday, and you can see today it came down and broke through the symmetry support. So got to be out of this chart, And the reason why I like this before, simply because it was holding against that 200 on the hourly chart and also on the 15-minute time frame. But since it's coming down to symmetry support, you got to abandon it altogether. And you can see apply materials. This one is just starting to fall apart, right? once it pierces through, you may get up above, but now we're all the way back down here. So you just got to follow your trading plan and to set aside your psychological capital for another chart to participate in. Let's take a quick look. That's all I have. Thank you so much for watching this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Any other symbols, be happy to review it for you. Talk to you soon.